Westham station. Lovely historical looking footbridge actually, it's quite nice. Fit only 5 cars. Selected door opening 5. Lovely waiting shelter as well. 2 car for the old 171s. I think they still do have a couple actually. I almost made out as if they were getting rid of them all, but I think there is still a couple about. Not that they use them that much, but by themselves I mean, but I have seen it a few times. Marshalling often does it. Or they couple it with the Uckfield to do a 6 car. Or a 10 car I've seen before, I think. Got around 10 minutes here. Rather than an hour at Norman's Bay because I missed the train. That's very annoying. However, you've got to keep your spirits high. Can't be dull and depressed these days. Not the way to be, everyone. I know Kent trains, buses and more does not really aspire to be the most inspiring person in the world. Don't be depressed, everyone. Next train is a 171, which I'll be getting on to Coodon Beach. I'm going home. I've already been to Coodon Beach today, just don't exactly want to wait an hour for that train. Annoying. Yeah, what a lovely station. Oh yeah, I want to show you something up here. Some happy cows. See some cows from the station. Cow is mooing. Points up there to they can do service to Pevensey and Westham from Hastings. Welcome aboard the southern service to Pevensey and Westham. There's the cow. Happy cow. Aww. There you go. There's the landmark of Pevensey and Westham. Hope you enjoyed the video. For more like this, smash the thumbs up button. Smash the subscribe button even harder. Hope to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the summer. That would be an amazing milestone. Not 500, whatever the next milestone. I don't even know how much subscribers I am on. I don't care enough. 600 I think. That's what I meant. But yeah, I'll see you when the train comes in. Should be 171. Thank you. 171812. Very busy. Thanks for watching.